So today, I'll be using a slanted brush to start highlighting around the eyes. Now I'm using this brush to help me blend through. And now I'm using this brush to apply a fine eyeliner to the top. Right, now we're starting with the foundation, so I'm going to use this brush. I like a dual fibre brush for foundation because it can get more of a smooth coverage. I'll use this brush to help push the product in to give more of a natural finish on the skin. Now this brush is also really good for fixing any fine details. Wonderful. Now this brush has a slight tilt to it, which is really good for helping to get an accurate contour. Like there you need it with your cheekbones. Using this fine brush, I'm just doing a lighter shimmer at the highest point of the cheekbone to really accentuate them. I'm just going to highlight around the top of the lip.